South. Can y'all really feel me? Feel us. East Coast, feel me. Feel us. West Coast, feel me. Say what? Dirty South. Here we go. Can y'all really feel me, baby?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and I attempted to do the fox eye look, the trending look, so hopefully you guys enjoy it. Also, bear with me, it's very hot in here and I'm sweating like crazy. You see me retouch up, you see me literally pounding my face so many times. So let's get into this look and I hope y'all like it. So, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, baby, because you know we need all of that. So, thank you.
You love me, it's special, different, every. You love me, it's special, different, every. You love me, it's special, and special.
So I seen Tierra Walker mix these two foundations together, so we're gonna try that today and see if it looks good. So from the looks of this foundation, it seems like it doesn't match. However, from the naked eye, it looks really great. And the finish on this foundation, y'all, is phenomenal. So don't worry about what it looks like right now, sweetie. Just worry about the end and see what I come up with. Y'all see how much better it looks? Yes. So y'all can go ahead and follow me on Instagram at Lauren Kelly Elite and go ahead and smash that subscribe button, sweetie.
You love me, it's special, different, every.
So a tip that I picked up while doing my makeup, ooh, y'all caught that. But while I was doing my makeup, it was very hot, and I learned that if it's really hot in temperature in the area that you're doing your makeup in, just do your eyeshadow first, then your face, so you can just get on out of there and finish your makeup. Because once you start sweating, the makeup starts moving, then you gotta retouch up and all of that, which you'll see me do. So just keep that in mind. So my goal for this look was to not be over the top glam girl, but I wanted it to be a nice soft glam that you could wear every day if you wanted to and just feel real cute. And you can really jazz it up with some cute little lashes. You can make it dramatic or as soft as you want. So just keep watching.
And switching.